Here's another interesting evolutionary arms race between the rough-skinned newt and the common garter snake. This is the rough-skinned newt. It is a species of newt that lives very commonly all across the west coast of North America, all the way down from California, extending up through Canada to areas in Alaska. This is the common garter snake, and it is, as the name suggests, very common in a ton of areas in North America. It's found all over Canada, the States, and some areas in Mexico. And these two animals have some serious evolutionary beef. The rough-skinned newt produces a very, very potent toxin called tetrodotoxin, which is most commonly known for being produced by the pufferfish, as well as the blue-ringed octopus, both very, very toxic creatures that you don't want to mess with. It is a very nasty, toxic poison. It's really not a good time. So this newt produces a ton of it, and so it has no natural predators, except for the common garter snake, which has evolved toxin resistance to the tetrodotoxin, so it can eat these newts. However, the newts don't want to be eaten by the garter snake. That's why they evolved this toxin in the first place, to kind of avoid getting eaten. So, being eaten by the garter snakes, it gives evolutionary pressure to evolve stronger toxin that the snakes aren't resistant to. So, the snakes start eating the newts evolve a stronger toxin to poison all the snakes. However, this results in evolutionary pressure for these snakes to evolve stronger toxin resistance, so they can keep eating. I just got a notification that Duolingo commented on my Morning Doves video. Hi, Duolingo! How's it going? Big fan. I have like a 1,200 day streak on there. So, the snakes, they want to keep eating the newts, so they evolve a stronger defense against the toxin, so they can eat the newts. But, like before, the newts don't want to be eaten, so what do? They evolve even stronger toxins, which the snakes develop resistance to. So, the newts develop stronger toxins. And you'll never guess what? The snakes develop stronger resistance. This has gone on and on, back and forth, basically for as long as these two species have existed within the same area. So the result of this is a population of common garter snakes that are so ridiculously toxin avoidant, like they can ingest and survive ridiculous amounts of this very potent tetrodotoxin. And this has also resulted in a species of newt that is so stupidly overpowered toxic that it can kill several, like, it hasn't been tested how many exactly, but it can kill multiple adult humans or 25,000 mice. This is the most toxic amphibian in the entirety of North America, just because this snake has decided, evolutionarily decided that, hey, I really want to eat these, so I'm just gonna keep evolving this stupidly strong toxin resistance. So yeah, evolution is an arms race. Sometimes it can just become ridiculous and produce some way too overpowered creatures.